Alright, y'all, watch. I'm finna do this. This is what I was gonna. This is what you were supposed to do, alright? You ready? Hey, they lit. Hey, we got both the whips. They clean. Look at this. This shit clean. I'm gonna show y'all where I work. And welcome back to another banger video. And in today's video, y'all already know what I'm finna do. By the title, I'm finna head to work, and y'all know what's gonna happen. Y'all gonna find out actually. So let's head to where I work. And this is. Ooh. Okay. Oh, we good. Yeah, yes sir. Oh yeah, baby. Let's go. I just pulled up. Hey, they supposed to be closed. Best Buy. You want to be in the video or not?
Nah, I'm not driving your car. But thank you, Dub.
What?
I like this custom rain. What's up, guys? Chillin'.
But we here. We finna make a banger video. Y'all already know. Be in my video.
What's the video about?
Letting my co-workers drive my whip.
Oh, this car. You want us to?
You want to drive it?
Where's it at?
It's outside. Let's go.
Wait, you're gonna let people drive your car?
I'm gonna let whoever wants to drive it, drive it.
Why?
It's for the video. 4.
Oh my god, is this yours?
Yeah.
That's yours?
Nah, it's not mine.
Whose car is that?
I stole it.
Try again.
That's not the right answer.
You know how they
I want
get
you to take
stolen?
care of
Best
you.
Buy
That's all I'm
gave you
asking.
that.
Best Buy give me that.
Best
right?
Buy did not give you that.
Oh, they gave him that.
Yeah.
Yeah, he like did enough like
Yeah.
Where's my
stuff.
phone? I'm using my phone for work every day.
That's why it doesn't give you phones. But they give him.
They give you cars.
Yeah.
That's why he got a Mach-E.
Yeah, that's why. They did.
Hey, since you're the GM, am I gonna get a sponsorship from Best Buy?
Oh, I'm out.
Man,
Best
come
Buy
on.
can't be associated.
Hey, you're clocked out. We're good. But yo, this is where I work. So if y'all was wondering where I work, right here. I'm the geek, the nerd. I sell computers. That's what I do. You already know. I carry this store on my back. I do carry this store though. Tomorrow, Greenville. I'm gonna destroy that store's number though. Huh?
This bitch is thick.
Yo, it is though.
God.
I cleaned it. That's why it's super nice.
Yeah, it looks.
Bro, look at this rock chip. It's bad. Yeah, it's pretty bad.
And that's paint, you said, right?
That's painted, yeah.
That's crazy.
Yep, and we got the new lip coming in. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna make a video. Best lip for your wide body. But, hey, you ready to whip this?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. It's crazy, cuz.
It's crazy.
Shh, look at him, Well, those brakes are nice, though.
Yeah.
Wow. Safety first, for sure.
Yeah, bro. Put that shit on.
I'm going to my car really quick.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, yeah, it's not bad.
We might need to, what you call it?
What was it?
Put the windows down.
You think?
Yeah, cause it's kind of getting dark.
Okay.
We gonna need some light.
Bro, I need to get used to these brakes, bro. I'm used to mine.
Yeah.
They barely brake anything. Just give me a second.
Yeah.
Oof, that's close. Bro.
Yep.
Oh, there you go. You gotta push it in. Just give me a second. God.
Hey, we're on the road. I guess after that light, we get on it. hold it with 2 hands and get on it if you want. It's fun. I was like, what the fuck was that?
Oh no, I'll be playing around with it.
Hit that bitch. You hitting it? There you go. Yo. I was like, you're not hitting it,
Nah,
bro.
take it easy. I'm trying to learn how it reacts, cuz.
Keep going. You gotta get in front of the truck. Alright, now let him. Alright, there you go.
These brakes are crazy, cuz.
Yeah.
But my mama, these brakes are crazy. You got
That shit
brake
is-
in here?
Yeah, those are Brembos. 6-piston Brembo.
Hell yeah.
What do you think?
This shit is pushing. Now, whenever you hit, bro, nah, it's not the same. Because I thought the Lexus was pushing, and the Lexus had only like 300 horsepower, not to the wheel, like the engine,
Yeah.
like to the crop. It was probably like 270 to the wheel. This shit is pushing, for sure.
It's fun.
Ooh, you saw it? You hear that?
Yeah. Now get on the right lane. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Holy shit. Oh, fuck.
That looks like a
we gotta go.
tool.
We gotta
That
go.
looks like a tool, good.
Take it right? Yeah, that looks like it. Just let it roll. Go right. It's fine. I mean, he's going somewhere else.
Shit.
Bro, we're not even in sport yet.
Exactly.
That's normal.
No way.
Yeah, that's normal.
Is it right or left?
Not left. Yeah, you good.
God, bro.
Alright, look, we're gonna try something. Alright, that's sport. And then just let it, just slow down because I knew it.
No,
Motherfucker ain't even using a signal, bro. Hit the left pedal. Hit it one more time. Let off the gas. Hit it down. There you go. You see how it shifts so much better now? It's more aggressive, the shift.
Sure, good. God. You can actually feel it.
Yeah. Downshift? Downshift one more. Get in front of him. Alright. Downshift.
That thing is crazy. You got that shit?
Yeah, I think so. I hope. Shit.
Yo,
Motherfucker calling at the wrong time.
Right, bro. You heard that shit?
Probably 18 minutes.
And we here though. We back. I Best Buy.
My boy. Crazy. Hey, crazy. It's crazy, bro. This thing is damn, bro. Like I remember with the Lexus, it would take like 6 seconds to get to like 100. But this bitch, you don't even know, you're already doing 120, bro.
I'm telling you, it's a fun car, bro.
They're heavy and shit. I'm like, nah, you just get a fucking whatever.
Mustangs are light.
Nah, my boy, this thing got it.
But as of looks and everything, bro, I don't care.
Look at it. I'm gonna get
Oh
you.
yeah,
one.
too fast for you.
I'm gonna
need
get
that.
you.
Bet.
Hey, this bitch is nice, cuz. Don't look at that one right there. Hey, cuz. You already know.
Hell yeah, boy.
You already know.
Don't forget to like. You already know. But that was pretty much it. He didn't get on it like I was telling him to. Because he was being a little bitch. Nah, he was just being a little safe with it. Next time he said.
Next time, cuz.
Next
Hey,
time.
she's like getting to know the car a little bit more. Just getting to know her.
Yeah. I feel, I mean, if I was in somebody else's car, I would
yeah,
be the
like
same
you,
thing.
yeah,
I
like
wouldn't just fucking ram on that bitch. But hey, don't forget to like. You already know we keep bringing banger videos. Stay tuned, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out. Yeah.